welcome back to the farm. We are going to actually check our garlic today and see if it's growing. I checked it about 3 weeks ago and I haven't checked it since. And I know people think we're down there every day, but it's one of them things I don't think about every day. And then we're going to check to see if some cover crops coming up. And we got to get ready for the church ladies are coming out to the house today and having a little Christmas party. So I ain't gonna get to do a whole lot today as far as getting stuff tore up. But first thing I do is feed these pigs. I got a pumpkin here. I'm gonna throw out here these pigs. Do that about every morning. Old pig pen is a sloppy mess. We've had a lot of rain, which we needed rain, so I can just about hear my garden down there soaking it up. So anyway, all right, let's go down there and see if we can find some garlic growing and see if we see some cover crop coming up. First stop is garlic, and I do see a lot of it coming up. That's good. Real good. Some of it's just now starting to come up. The first variety, the German, is coming up really good. Let's look at it. Yeah, right there's one. There's one. Almost every hoe's got one. That's the German. Yeah, it's coming up good. Then we get into the music, which is right here. And you can see it's just, I can't really tighten it up. It's just now starting to come up. See that one coming up right there? And right there, and right there. Yeah. So just about every space has got some coming up, which is good. I like it. That's honestly, I checked it about 3 weeks ago, and the German one had just started to come up. I mean, it was just, you just look down in there and see it, and the music hadn't started. And so I kind of forget about it. You know how it goes. And then I thought about it last night, so I need to go check on that. And I've had a lot of good rain, and I'm looking at now where my watermelons and cantaloupe will go, and I put the cover crop down, and it's coming up. It's just starting to come up. Oh, shit. Okay, it's just starting to come up, and I don't know if it's showing up on camera, but you can really, let me see if I can zoom in here. Yeah, right there's a bunch, right there, and there, right there. Can't find my finger, right there. So it's doing really good right here. When you look at it with the naked eye, you can really kind of see it, get the overview of it coming up. So yeah, you can't really see it. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but you can see the little green shoots coming up. If we had one good day or a couple good days of some warm weather, it would really shoot up. I was afraid I waited too late to sow it. I probably should have sowed it a week earlier, and I needed to make a note of that. But it was so dry, I don't know if it would have done anything. So watermelon cantaloupe, and I'm actually gonna put way up, let's see, way up in there. I'm gonna put a little popcorn. We're gonna try it this year. All right, let's go over and look at these other fields. Let's look at this field over here. This will be pumpkins next year. Let's see if we see anything. Yeah, I see a few things coming up. It's not bad. bad at all. All right, here comes a choo-choo train. Just imagine that. I can't get this camera out and record and the train don't come by, it seems like. So we'll let it go by, and we'll look at kind of a little success story right down in here. Holy cow, I didn't think that thing was ever gonna go by. I just seen the one engine to start with, and I thought, well, this won't be a very big train, and about halfway through it had 3 engines in the middle. That was weird. So anyway, all right, here's my greens, and you can see how good they look. This is collards over here. I got one thing of and here's spinach, and then these 3 rows over here are turnip greens. And I actually have done really good. I don't know how many of these collards I've cut, and evidently, I don't know if they grow back or just some coming on or what. And I cut a lot of these turnip greens, and they don't come back as well. So, in the middle, spinach. And I thought that was the kind that you eat raw, but it looks like the kind you cook. So, I like raw spinach, a little baby leaf spinach, and so anyway. But I've been carrying these the collards over to Mom's house a lot, and she cooks them. I just don't like them, and I usually don't grow. My motto's been not to grow stuff I don't eat. And that's kind of a good home gardener thing. But now that I'm kind of set to the public, you gotta kind of give the public what he wants. And every time I took collards or turnip greens, either to the sale or put them in the building, they sold out like that. So I'm gonna do a little better next year. I didn't really space them right where I could weed and a few other things, but they grow really good. I put them in behind the corn, so I'm gonna do that again this year. So over here, we're gonna check over here, and this one don't look as good as far as cover crop, and really don't see anything coming up here. Well, I see a few little things coming up. You can see where it turned. So, this side right here is a disappointment. So, this is where my corn's going to be next year. My sweet corn. Probably from where the collards are back here all the way over. We're going to do quite a bit of sweet corn this year. Yeah, I'm kind of disappointed in that. Let's ride over and check the other field. Now, I have checked the one I overseeded, and it's doing really good. I've not checked this. This is kind of disappointing, but like I said, this is where I started, and I made some adjustments on my stuff. So, rocking some new boots today, and I'm trying not to get them muddy. So, it's a pair I got from work. So, I got one more new pair, and I'll probably save them. These are Danners here. I really like these boots. They feel really good. I got these. These are from 2024, so I don't know how many pairs of boots I got up there that I hadn't even wore. But my other ones were getting kind of wore out, so I did away with them. I'm gonna do away with them and start wearing these. Feel good. I think they're waterproof, so that's a good thing. I got another pair that I bought this year in 2025, but they're not Danners, they're a different thing. All right, let's go recheck this other field. So this field's coming up pretty good, real good over there, look. You can about see that on camera. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, it's coming up pretty good, decent. So this is the field I overseeded, or one of them anyway, and you can see all the green out in there. It looks really good. Did really better, I think, over here than it did over in the bare dirt. So let's check this new tarp we got put up here the other day. Oh yeah, looks good. And we've had rain, I don't know, for like 2 or 3 days, so that's good. That's worked out really good. So garlic's doing good. This field's not doing too good. The other field's doing good. The middle field's doing, the main veggie field's doing good. The new pasture field's doing good. Actually, that I was overseeing this other field, my hay field, and it looks pretty good. So cover crop is probably, let's say, what, 75% successful. Garlic, I think, so far is 100% successful. And it's still cold as all get out. Well, I mean, it's like 40, so that's cold to us down here. All right, appreciate you watching. Give me a thumbs up. Support your local farmer. I appreciate everybody that watches. And supports the channel. We'll be live tomorrow night, 7:30, me and Allison. And I should have done an upgrade on the carrots, but I don't want to get this too long. I'll do that in a different one. So anyway, I'm just looking. I never have harvested. I harvested some the other day, and well, here we go. I'm gonna start talking. It'll be another 15 minutes. All right, give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. I appreciate you watching. Appreciate your support. We'll be, like I said, we'll be live Monday night, me and Allison. Come check us out. You can talk to us live and do whatever. But anyway, give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, support your local farmer. We'll see you down here in the farm next video.